What's up, guys? Today we're at another site, Kia. Somebody came down this Kia. Trying to look for a trunk latch for a Ford Explorer. For this video,
no trunk latch for no Ford Explorer. A Kia Forte.
So today, this video is for the hood latch. So what year is this truck?
This is a probably 04 or 05.
Okay, so 04, 05 Ford Explorer hood latch removal. So this works for any model between 04 to 2010. So first thing you want to do is remove this top. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can zoom in. This little latch here and the one at the bottom. Oh crap, where the hell is that? Right here. It sucks. Focus, there you go. So let me go ahead and remove it. Ski, you can hold this for a second.
You want me to do it like this?
Yeah, like one. Thank you. I can't do it with 2 hands. I think I'm gonna need a flat here. I can just pop it. It'll be alright. Let me go for the bottom first. That one's easier. That was easier than that. There you go. One's out. Moving to the second one. There you guys can see that. You got the hood?
Yeah, I got it. Maybe you need to get a little closer.
Yeah, now it popped back in. There it goes. Take that fully out. A little pop that. You can twist this up. It's popped out. You got that one? And that's how you remove hood latch off of a Ford.
See, I don't know.
There's a latch there? No. Trying to take off the hood scoop. This Ford Explorer.
I'm looking in the back. Looking in the back. I don't see the little piece.
We here.
I don't think it have none.
Yeah. I see it. Yeah, it don't really have any post back. We gotta go find another truck. Let's go and pay for these and get up out of here. On to a new site. Nice Pontiac.
You ain't scared your damn pants gonna fall past your damn ankles, nigga?
No, I got a belt. You gonna go ahead? Oosh. Somebody really was characteristic about this one. It's pretty nice though. You want to be flashy. What's that, a Trailblazer?
Yeah,
LT.
I'm trying to see if I put it out there.
Yeah, I think we could get it from any truck, really. Oh, this little mud. Oh, looks very clean on the inside. Nice suspension. Independent. If you guys need some independent suspension setups, like standalone remakes, you can find them in these cars. Really anywhere. Stay tuned, sub, comment below if you want any other videos on any other cars, really. You can pick from anyone and go into a specific breakdown. Somebody left their jack. Oh, they're gonna be mad. It's a cruiser race route. Malibu. Nice flips. Drop top. Not half bad. Subwoofer. Nice. This interior is pretty clean. Audi A4 or A6, one of them. Price $300. Window smashed, but hey.